2015 paper 2 question 5 part B. So it's a trigonometric equation. Sine 3x is equal to the square root of 3 all over 2. So straight away the sign is positive. So sine is positive in, and identify the quadrants A, S, T and C in the first and second quadrant. Now our answers are going to be in degrees because it's between 0 and 360 degrees. So first we'll get a reference angle. So 3x is equal to the sine inverse of root 3 over 2, and our reference angle is 60 degrees. Now we're talking about the first quadrant and we're talking about the second quadrant. So in the first quadrant you're talking 60 degrees, in the second quadrant talking 180 minus 60, which is 120 degrees. So 3x is equal to 60 plus, and in 2n pi, this is in terms of degrees, so 2 pi is 360 degrees, so it's 360n, that's where that comes from. And x is equal to, divide the whole thing across by 3, so 20 plus 120n. And 3x is equal to 120 plus, again, your 2 pi n, which is 360n because you're in degrees, divide across by 3, so it's 40 plus 120n. So now to get our values, x is equal to 20 plus 120n, and x is equal to 40 plus 120n. And so n is equal to 0, so x is equal to 20 plus 120 by 0, which goes to 0, and then added to 20 is 20 degrees. And this here is 40 plus 120 by 0, which just gives you an answer of 40 degrees. So that's well within our range. So n equal to 1, x is equal to 20 plus 120 by 1, and we get an answer of 140 degrees within our range. X is equal to 40 plus 120 by 1, which is 160 degrees, which is well within our range. N equal to 2, x is equal to 20 plus 120 by 2, so that's giving you 260 degrees in our range, and x is equal to 40 plus 120 by 2, which gives us 280 degrees. Okay, all within our range. Now if we try n equal to 3, x is equal to 20 plus 120 by 3, and straight away we're outside our range at 380 degrees. So we have all our angles that satisfy that equation between 0 and 360 degrees. So the answer is 20 degrees, 40 degrees, 140 degrees, 160 degrees, 260 degrees and 280 degrees.